It was 11:47 at night. His wife was asleep. His kids were asleep. He sat at the kitchen table, phone in his hand. He scrolled past hundreds of names. Coworkers, clients, church, family, neighbors. Not one felt like someone he could tell the truth. So he locked the screen, set the phone down, and carried it alone. The strange thing was that everyone thought he was doing well. Good job, beautiful home, healthy kids, respected, reliable, strong. But somewhere along the way, he stopped telling the truth. Not because he wanted to lie, because after saying I'm good 1,000 times, he forgot that there was another answer. People knew what he did. They knew what he built. They knew what he provided. Nobody knew what was breaking him. The next morning at breakfast, his son looked up and asked Dad, "You okay?" He smiled. "I'm good, buddy." His son nodded, went back to his cereal. He heard "I'm good" so many times it didn't even sound like an answer anymore. And without realizing it, a little boy was learning what being a man looked like. Not honestly, not with the Brotherhood, just silence. The lie is that strong men carry heavy things alone. The truth is that sons don't just inherit our strengths, they inherit our strategies. If the only strategy they ever see is silence, they'll carry their pain in the same way. Jesus could have carried everything alone. He didn't. He chose 12 men, not because he needed their strength, because he wanted to demonstrate brotherhood. And that was always part of the design. And in Gethsemane, he didn't say, "I'll handle it." He said, "Stay here with me." Maybe asking another man to stay isn't weakness. Maybe it's just obedience. And that's one of the reasons I coach fathers, because your son isn't just watching how you lead, he's learning how to suffer like you. So if this hit home, subscribe to the channel. Over the next few weeks, I'm gonna walk you through the same frameworks I teach the fathers I coach. My name is Spence Harris, and I'm the Daddy's coach. From hustle to home, this is Fatherhood Rebuilt.